What's up, guys? What's going on? Hope you're good. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you something very interesting. Someone asked me a question about this MetaTrader 5, what I've been doing. When I place a trade, I modify my stop loss by just dragging line and dropping at a particular zone without going to my trade section to edit the numbers and all that. So MetaTrader 5 upgraded and made work more easier for traders, so you don't need to bother yourself doing a lot of things. A lot of things have been improved. Now, another interesting thing about this MetaTrader 5, which I'm going to be sharing with you today, is for scalping, right? Let me show you one of the magic this MetaTrader 5 can do. So let's say I want to buy and I want to scalp, right? So if you are using MetaTrader 5 before now, all you need to do is to maybe click and hold or tap here, or go to the particular one you want to trade, click and hold, new order, you come here, check and place buy, right? Remember, this is a real account. I just want to share it with you. Just $6. I know I'm ready to lose it. I just funded this to show you the magic this thing can do, especially when you have a small account, right? So if I buy here, you can see what happened. I buy. If I want to modify this order before, I have to click here, this icon, to modify my order. I will come here to set my stop loss or set my TP at this zone, right? So this is exactly how you do this before now, which is very difficult. If you are scalping, this can take a lot of time for you to do this. Then if you want to close, let's say I placed 2 trades and I want to close. For me to close, I have to do this, close like this. I have to do this, close this way, which is not, before you finish this thing, you might be caught by spike, right? Which is the thing you might be avoiding. So all these things I'm going to be sharing with you how to do this easily, especially for those who scalp and using MetaTrader 4 as a whole, right? If you're using MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, I'm going to share with you the magic that this MetaTrader 5 can help you perform. Okay. All right, so let's go there. So if you look up here, you are going to see that we have this particular button right here, and we also have this. So I'm going to start with the first one, which is this one here, right? So what this one means, if I click on it, you can see buy option here, and you can see sell option here. So what it means is that you don't need to start going through all those processes to buy and sell. So if you are scalping, for instance, you can click, just I will tap on this. You can see I bought already. If I want again, I will tap on this. I bought already. So if you are flipping a bigger, like flipping an account like this, maybe from $5 to $10 to $20, instead of you doing, going through those processes, and you want to place like 10 trades or 20 trades, all I have to do is to keep clicking this buy. I'll just click this position here, this buy position here, click here, click here, click here. You can see I keep buying until you start writing not enough this thing for me, right? You keep buying, 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 buying. You can buy, you know open like 1,000 positions just by tapping this particular buy button. For instance, if you are buying, right, it make work more easier for you if you are flipping, or if you are entering multiple position. So another interesting thing about this, if I go here now, instead of me closing this one after the other, I can just tap on any of them and you see this will pop up, right? I will click on bulk operation. So instead of doing it one after the other, I will click on bulk operation. Now you have everything here. If I want to close all this position, I will click on close all positions and I'll tap on it. All the position will be closed. So you don't need to start, this is the best feature I've ever seen in MetaTrader. I think MetaTrader 4 don't even have this feature right now, but this feature is here on MetaTrader 5. It will help you. In fact, it makes work more easier for you. If you are scalping, this is the best thing that MetaTrader 5 have helped you to do or to achieve. So you can easily do all these things. Okay. If you open a position also, let's say I open more position. Let me just look for um, a a pair which is likely going to drop. Let me check out VS10. Okay, this is VS10, or rather let me go to something very low because the account is very low. So let me go to VS75 1 second. Okay, 75 1 second. The trend is up. Okay, so the trend is up, though we are having like kind of um double top right there, but everything I'm going to be doing, if I want to do anything on this particular pair, is going to be buying, nothing else. I'm not going to be selling for no reason. I'm not going to be selling right now. So let me see, let's say I want to like um buy. So let me just buy to keep explain more about this amazing stuff here. So you can see I bought. Okay, let me buy again. Let me buy again. So you can see I'm just clicking on just this button and I keep buying, right? Good. So if I go to the trade now, trade section, and I click on any of them, okay, if I click on any of them, now if I want to modify position, I will click on, I've shown you what the magic this one performs to close all positions, right? Then if you want to modify position, you can now start modifying your positions. Okay, so let me share with you again. Then if you want to open new order, you can, but where I'm interested in is in this bulk operations, right? So if I click on bulk operation, see what you have here. I've shown you how to close all position, which is just tap on it, all the positions will be closed. Then another interesting thing is that you can decide to close only profitable positions, right? So if you have some losses, some profits, um, um, that is running open trade, floating profit or losses, you can easily decide to close only the profits, that you should close only trades that are profitable, okay, the one that are in profit, and leave the one in loss, right? That is exactly what this one is going to help you do. If I tap on it now, all these trade will close because all of them are in profit. Then if you want to close only buy, okay, if I click on close only buy, you know all this position is I'm buying. So if I want to close buy positions, it will close everything, right? Now if you have, maybe you opened let's say, let me check and place another trade just to show you this. Boom 500 is buying, so I cannot scalp it. Crash 300, let's see, crash 300 is selling, I cannot scalp it. So which one am I going to just use for this example? Crash 1000 is still, I can't scalp it too. Boom 1000, it's actually kind of selling. Yeah, it's selling. So let me just do something on boom 1000. So on boom 1000, if I decided to buy, okay, so I bought, I think about just one because of the account size. So let's say I want to, if I tap on this, okay, if I tap on this uh and I come to bulk operation, now I can decide to close only you can see close 75 1s position only. So if I want to close and leave boom 1000 running, I will click on this particular one. Okay, I will just close that position, right? That's how easy it is. So if I'm also buying and selling, I can decide to close only 75 1 seconds buy positions. So there are a lot of things you can actually do with this particular stuff right here. This the opportunity this MT5 have given. All right, so these are the magic you can actually perform with this MetaTrader 5. Make work more easier for you. Everything is on point. You don't need to stress yourself over doing all these things, okay, doing those calculations. You can just easily just do it and you are good. Oh, I wanted to sell this and I'm buying, so that's why I'm losing money on this. I thought I'm selling. No. So this is actually how or what this MT5 can actually help you do. So now we are done with this particular one, so we can actually check other things that this particular platform can help us do. Okay, so let me open this. Okay, so for instance, another thing you can really do with this particular platform is right here. The second button is where we are going to be checking now. So if you want this stuff to disappear from your chart, just quickly go and tap on this. Okay, I'll tap on it and it disappear. Then this second one right here is going to be helping us to place orders: buy limit, sell stop, buy stop, and all that. So if I click on it now, you can see it have shown something here. So if I want to sell, if the price push up to this zone, let's say the price push up to this zone and I will sell, I will just click on that. Then once you tap on it, you are going to see the some parameters here, which is going to be stop loss, TP. So if I'm going to be placing my sell limit there, I can easily tap on stop loss and set my stop loss above here. Then my TP, I can drag it to this down, so I automatically have set my stop loss and TP. So if the price push up to this zone, it will trigger my sell, and automatically my stop loss will be put here and my TP will be set here. So this is how easy this thing is, guys. So you can see how I just did this within, it's not even up to 5 seconds, right? I'll just click this arrow. Once you are done, you click this blue arrow and everything is done, placed. So automatically I've placed a trade right here. You can see how easy it is. Let's say you decided you maybe the price is moving and you are no longer comfortable at a particular point. Let's say you want to move from here, you want to move it to this zone. That's the point you want to set your sell limit now. Okay, you can simply tap on this. Once you tap on it, you can move this around, guys. That's amazing, guys. You can move it around. Once you are done, you click on this arrow again and modify, and boom, everything is good, right? That's how simple and easy this thing, they have already made everything easier for us. Okay, if you want to set, let's say you want to do buy limit, okay, you can drag it down, okay, to the position where you think if the price gets to, you start buying. The same way you place your stop loss, drag it below, your TP should be above, right? So this will be the position where if the price drop to this zone, it will automatically buy for you. Set your stop loss below here and your TP above here. That's all. You click on this arrow, modify, and automatically you have placed your trade. So this is an interesting feature that MT5 have put in place just to help you make work more easier for you. So guys, I hope you love this. I hope you enjoy this. If you want more of these magics, maybe using MT5 for other trading simulator like TradingView, drop a comment, like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new. So guys, I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to join my Telegram group where I send free signals. The link will be in the description of this video. You can also join my 1-week mentorship program coming up on 1st of September. Every information will be in the description of my video. Don't always come to my comment section and keep asking where can I reach you, how can I talk to you, anything like that. Everything, if you want to reach me, if you want to talk to me, click the description of my video. You're going to see the Telegram group where you can join, and every information you need, you will get it from that Telegram group. You can DM me from the Telegram group. You can actually see whatever that is going on in the group based on signals and any updates at all. So click the link in the description. If you want to register for the mentorship program, the website link also in the description of this video. You can click join, register and join the 1-week mentorship program. You don't want to miss out on this. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys. Enjoy.